Hi, this is Steve Davis over at Total Wealth Academy, and this is Misconception Monday. The big misconception out there is that you have to be an accredited investor to invest passively. This is not accurate anymore. Accredited simply means you have $1 million or more in the bank, or you're a high income earner. Really high income earner. There are multiple types of passive investing, and you can now be what's categorized as a sophisticated investor and invest passively even if you're not accredited. For a long time, only accredited investors could do passive investing. But since the laws have changed, by taking courses like the courses we sell at Total Wealth Academy, you can become what's known as sophisticated. And if you have $70,000 or more, you can become a passive investor. Remember, passive investing is a completely passive endeavor. This is something you can do while you've got a full-time job, while you've got kids, is build a second stream of income, passively investing in commercial real estate, and you can use your IRA, your 401k, cash, it doesn't matter. Anywhere that you've got $70,000 or more, you can become a passive investor without having to be accredited. Again, all you have to do is take our courses or courses like them to become sophisticated. That's Misconception Monday. Thanks for watching.